Hello guys, you welcome back. Top 10 most handsome guys from the Big Brother Naija house. Below is our top 10 most Big Brother Naija housemates from the very first season to date. Don't worry if your favorite housemate didn't make the list. We could only stick with the best 10. On our first list is Rico Suave. Full name Patrick Fakoya, born 1991, is a Nigerian actor and musician. He was one of the housemates in the Big Brother Naija Season 3. He is famous for the Life 101 drama series. Number 2, full name Miracle. Miracle Ibekwe Ikechukwu, born 17 February 1995, is the winner of the 2018 Big Brother Naija TV reality show. He is currently a model, a trained pilot, a television personality, and a social media personality. Number 3, Chukwuebuka Obi Uchendu, born 14 July 1982, is a Nigerian lawyer and media personality. He was one of the 14th housemates in the first season of the popular reality show Big Brother Nigeria. Next on the list is Teddy A. Full name Tope Adenibuyan. The 32-year-old, born on June 6, 1988, was one of the Big Brother Naija 2018 housemates. Teddy A is married to Bamike Oluwawumi Bambam, and they have a child together. The two lovebirds were housemates on the Big Brother Naija Season 3 edition. The next is Mike Edwards. The 29-year-old, born 11 July 1991, professional athlete, was the first runner-up at the just concluded Big Brother Naija Season 4 Pepe Dem edition. Mike is married to the love of his life, Paris Shakes Drayton, a British Olympian and also a TV personality. Next is Kelvin Brulette, born 1991, is a Nigerian-American singer, record producer, and sound engineer. He was one of the housemates in the Big Brother Naija Season 3. Next person on the list is Tinto Tony. Full name Offiong Edet Anthony. The 40-year-old, born 1918, is a professional dancer and one of the housemates of Big Brother Naija 2017. Tony is married to Laraba Audi Offiong, and they have 2 kids. His nickname Tinto Tony is due to his height. Next is Seyi Awolowo, the 31-year-old, born 28 December 1989. Businessman, was the 4th runner-up at the just concluded Big Brother Naija Season 4 Pepe Dem edition. Seyi has starred in several TV commercials, modeled for different organizations, and also acted in TV series and many more. Next is Toby Bakare. The 30-year-old, born on the 1st June 1990, investment banker, was the 2nd runner-up in the 2018 Big Brother Naija reality TV show. He is also a photographer, model, actor, and TV host. And lastly, we have Leo Babarende Akinola Da-Silva. The 28-year-old, born 10 July 1992, entrepreneur, was one of the Big Brother Naija Season 3 housemates. Okay guys, this is our list on the top most handsome guys from the Big Brother Naija house. What are your thoughts, guys? Please leave a comment in the section below. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.